The Maricopa County Attorney's Office and the Phoenix Police Department recently received more than $2 million in grants to investigate thousands of untested rape kits throughout Arizona. Reporter Zach Moran talked to one survivor who says how important testing those kits is to the victims.
The night of November 19, 2009 is one that Kim Hendrick won't ever forget.
I froze and I literally could not move. And it was like an out-of-body experience looking down on what was happening.
Hendrick was brutally beaten and raped in Scottsdale after coming home from a date with this man who faced previous rape charges.
He was biting my back, biting my arms.
After reporting to police, she went to the Scottsdale Advocacy Center where she was examined.
I can't imagine women who were victims of sexual assault that nothing ever happened with it and they wanted to know, hey, was it tested? What happened?
Some sexual assault survivors have been waiting years for answers because of a nationwide rape kit backlog. New data shows there's more than 6,000 untested kits stored in evidence lockers across Arizona, and 2/3 of them are in Maricopa County. Now officials say that state funding along with the recent $2 million in federal grants will help clear that backlog.
I think we're moving to a point in time now where all kits will be tested, regardless of whether the issue is about consent and not identity.
Many of these kits have now already been investigated because victims and police already identified the attacker. But testing these backlogged kits can help match DNA to serial rapists with a criminal history, like the one who attacked Hendrick 7 years ago.
We want to have these kits tested in order to find out if this person has been involved in other similar offenses and their identity may not be known in those cases.
Today, Hendrick suffers permanent hearing loss in one ear because of that traumatic night. Her attacker was sentenced to 11 years in prison, and she hopes all rape victims get the same justice that she did.
The justice piece of that for me, I know has helped me, that at least I know that he's in jail.
Hendrick also says that he will be deported back to Albania once he's released. In Phoenix, Zach Moran, Cronkite News.
Governor Doug Ducey's task force released a report recommending legislation that requires all rape kits be tested. The governor is calling it a step in the right direction.